How to protect your PDF from ransomware. Ransomware is a dangerous form of malware that encrypts your files and demands payment for their release. PDFs, being widely used for contracts, reports, and sensitive data, are common targets. Protecting them isn't just about software. It's about good habits, smart tools, and layered security. 1. Use strong encryption. Ensure your PDFs are encrypted with a strong password. Use AES-256 encryption if available. This prevents unauthorized users, and even ransomware in some cases, from accessing the content. Tools to use: Adobe Acrobat Pro PDF 24 Creator, Small PDF Online. 2. Avoid downloading suspicious PDFs. Phishing emails often include infected PDFs as attachments. Always verify the sender before downloading or opening a PDF. Best practices: don't open attachments from unknown sources. Use an antivirus scanner to check PDFs before opening. Quarantine emails with encrypted attachments. 3. Enable real-time antivirus protection. Use up-to-date antivirus and anti-ransomware tools that monitor file behavior and quarantine threats before they act. Recommended software: Kaspersky, Malwarebytes, Bitdefender. 4. Store backups in the cloud or offline. Regularly back up your PDFs to a secure location that isn't always connected to your system. Options: cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox with version history, external hard drives, disconnected when not in use. 5. Set file permissions. Limit access to sensitive PDFs by using password protection and restricting editing, copying, or printing rights. Options: use DLP solutions. 6. Educate yourself and your team. Cybersecurity awareness is often your first line of defense. Train everyone who handles sensitive PDFs to recognize ransomware tactics and phishing attempts.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.